artwork fly. Alright guys, so I am back. So what I did was to use the stencil knife and neat up the edges a bit more. So these are the scraps that came off the edges. So what I did was to just go over until I got all the extra pieces off. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I think I decided to put black in here. Alright, so I'm going to work on these two now and see how it goes in terms of timing. Alright, so we're going to use black. So I'm going to allow this to dry a bit more. It's still not dry as yet. So I'm going to work on this now. The inside part, I'm not sure if I'm going to work on this part as yet.
From the deepest soul we breathe, a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can strive. Success in every hue and cry.
Alright, so these are some scrap papers that was about in this book. So I'm just going to cut it and use it. It's not as large. This one fits, so I'm going to use this one. It kind of fits a bit better. So I'm going to use this one.
Hearts that feel through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we breathe.
So I'm going to put the glue here. Close to the edge. Try and keep it away from the edge. If you're using a lot of glue, you don't need to put the glue at the edge, because what happens is when you press it out, press it down, the glue is going to spill over. So you can put it in and then it spreads out. Alright.
To the sky, with each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every.
Alright, so before we glue this on, we need to put a strip there. So I'm going to use the black. Oh, I wonder if it's dry. I think we can work with this. I think we can work with this. Alright.
A vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with heart up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
Alright, so I'm going to make this strip. Still using a black artist paper.
Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your
I'm gonna put the glue in here.
sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation.
Got the edges. You can use a paintbrush. I have my paintbrush here, but sometimes it's just nice to get your finger a bit messy. So, I'm making my finger.
Journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation.
So I have my strip here, hiding the edges. You want to keep this loose just the same. You don't want it too much, you know. So let's see how it works out for this side now, because you want to ensure that this is still loose enough. And there's different ways that people do it. Alright, I did not, this is just how I do it. Alright, so there's different ways, guys. And this is just one way, one way. probably should have made this black artist paper a bit longer, but so I'm gonna test it now if it's opening and closing. It is, but we just need for this to dry a bit longer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use something heavy on it. I'm going to put something heavy on it, let it continue to dry. Alright, so we're going to allow this to dry and then we'll come back, okay guys? Alright, so the glue was not enough, so I would have to definitely put some more glue because it's not drying. But it's a good thing that it wasn't drying because I almost forgot a step. So I'm going to put glue here and put it there, alright? So it's a good thing that the glue was not drying, but we can always flip the cover, flip it over and put the glue, so it doesn't even matter anyway. Because the glue is going to be here, or we can flip it over. Alright, so ensure that your journal is well binded, well glued. Alright, so that it doesn't fall apart by the time it reaches somebody else's hand. Alright, so you want to ensure that it's well glued. Remember the crease, guys. Wherever the crease is or the bend is on the book, that is where you're going to put it, alright? Right at the crease or the bend. Ensure that it doesn't fall off. It's even space at the top and bottom. Alright, so back to this now. Wasn't enough glue, so let's put some more glue on it.
Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings, let's reach the sky.
What you can do, guys, is ensure that the black paper is long enough so you can glue. But mine is a bit short, but it's what I have. It's the one black cardstock paper that I have, so I would have to work with what I have. Alright. Alright, so this is it right now. It's not dry as yet. In here it's not dry as yet, so we have to leave it for a day, but for you it's going to be a week, so I'm going to leave it. I'm finished for the night. It's basically night now, so I'm going to finish this for the night. Stay tuned to see what I do with this part and also the green page that was cut. Stay tuned to see how I manipulate it, or should I cut it off, but you have to stay tuned to find out about that. Alright, so we have to leave it to still have a bit more drying process to go. And remember, you can always add more pages to fill this inch here. It's only 11 cartridge paper here. For the pages you can always put more if you need to, or you can cut this down. This is 1 inch, so you can make it to be ½ inch. Alright, but it's what I have, guys, so it's what I'm going to use. Alright, but it's good so far. I can't wait to decorate it. Can't wait to tell you guys my theme. etc. Alright, so just stay tuned and remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Flash. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.